everyone. My name is Jayvind Shah, and currently I'm working with Endeavor Career as a senior mentor. With the help of rich experience of over a decade, let me help you guys to bell the cat with my five tantras. The first one: don't overthink about the number of questions that cat is going to give you on 29th of November. That's not in your hand. There's no point about thinking it. What is in your hand? To practice mocks, which gives you different variation. And do not limit yourself with a pre-decided mindset that I am going to attempt around 80% of the paper. I am going to attempt 75%. Don't do that. Attempt paper to its merit. That is very, very important. Because if it's a difficult paper, you may not be able to attempt 75 to 80% of the questions. And if it's an easy paper, maybe you will be able to attempt around 90% of the paper. That's very much possible, right? So do not fix your attempts. My second tantra would be don't overburden or don't take too much of stress by writing mock every day. Rather, you should limit yourself to writing around 10 to 15 mocks in last 1 month. And very important, do analyze them. Analyzing them is the key, guys. Okay. My third punch tatra would be that you should focus on your strength rather than learning something which you don't know. If there are one or two topics, one or two odd topics that you don't know, that's absolutely fine. Okay, keep them aside. Okay, keep them aside and don't think too much about it. Okay, if there are two or three questions that comes from this topic, maybe you skip them. That's absolutely fine, right? Focus on your strength. That is very very important. My fourth punch tatra would be mentally prepared for any changes in the GAT. Okay, you might be writing a mocks which is 25, 25, 25. Okay, be mentally prepared that there are some variations, there are some changes. Maybe LRDI set may not be a four questions. Maybe some sets would have two questions, some have three questions. There's a possibility. Okay, so best way would be to practice the mocks, which gives you variations, which gives you different varieties in each mock. That would be the fourth punch tatra. And the last and the fifth one would be keep calm, trust yourself, and be motivated. That's very important. Okay, if you are not motivated and if you don't trust yourself, the first four of them would not make any sense. So the last point is very very crucial. Okay, so that is it from my end. I hope this five punch tatras would definitely help you to bell the cat. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best.